Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Gordon Frayne. We are back with another video. Today we're talking about Brett. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button below, hit the subscribe button as well, smash that bell notification icon, and don't forget to grab your completely free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin linked below this video in the description. Grab it now and let's talk about Brett. So, admittedly, it's been a couple months since I made a big update about Brett, and right now what we're seeing is Brett making a very big move and leapfrogging a number of other leading meme coins in the crypto markets. Okay, it's definitely been a rough few months for the price action of Brett. Let's just remind ourselves what happened here on the charts. We had a nice big run up here all the way into December of 2024. And since we got to those middle of December highs, price action has been very aggressively moving to the downside for Brett. Again, this is not unique to Brett. Bitcoin and the entire altcoin market, along with the vast majority of memes, have had very large pullbacks over the past couple of months, and Brett went down about 87% from peak to trough. The positive sign I'm looking at here right now on the chart is the fact that, technically speaking, we have managed to break out of this downtrend that we've been in for the past number of months. Okay, we've seen Brett hopefully reaching a bottom here around this 2.5 cents level, and we started marching upwards from here. Again, if you're not familiar with Brett, guys, I've made tons of videos about Brett on the channel. I'm going to leave links on the top of the screen here for you to check out deeper information about Brett. But if you're not familiar, Brett is a leading meme coin on the Base network, and Base is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Okay, the reason I'm bringing up the Ethereum chart here is because over the past couple of weeks, we've also seen a little bit of a local bottom come in for Ethereum, and we've seen Ethereum get a nice bounce here. We went as low as 1400, but we have had a 30% move to the upside for Ethereum over the past 15 days. And this is the point I want to make. This is where you can make exponential gains in the crypto space, because when you see a blue chip like Ethereum making a 30% move to the upside, and you jump back and compare that to the move that Brett has made over the same time frame, what you're looking at here on Brett is a 188% move in a 16-day time frame. So Brett is a levered bet on the Ethereum ecosystem, more specifically on the Base ecosystem. But given that Base is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, you're seeing Brett as the #1 meme coin on the Base network. And the big thing I've been saying for the past year is that Base does not have its own native token. Unlike other scaling solutions like Polygon or Arbitrum as layer 2 Ethereum scaling solutions, they have their own governance tokens, the Polmatic token, the ARB token. Base, as a layer 2 network, does not have its own native token. Base are on the record stating they do not intend to launch their own token. Again, that remains to be seen. But for now, Brett is one of the largest tokens on the Base network, period, including Aerodrome, including all these other protocols on the Base network like Moonwell. But you've got Brett not just as a leading token, but as the leading meme coin on the Base network. Okay, that's the point I want to make. Obviously, we are still a long way off the all-time highs that we got up to all the way back here in December, when we got up to around 23 cents for the price of Brett. We would still need to do another 3 to 4x from today's prices to get back up there. But Brett making a 188% move in the same time period where Ethereum makes a 30% move just shows you the power of how some of these tokens and memes will act as leveraged plays against their native chain tokens. Okay, jumping over to CoinMarketCap very, very quickly, what we've also seen in the past few days is the fact that Brett has actually now leapfrogged some of these other leading meme coins like Pengu and Whiff, and you've seen it essentially move up into the top 8 crypto meme coins by overall market cap. We're currently sitting just under 700 million in terms of market cap for Brett. Again, this got up into the 1.4 or 1.5 billion dollar area, even higher by the time it was at its highs just a few months ago. But the fact that it has now surpassed some of the leading memes on the Solana network is indicative of its longevity, its potential success for the rest of this cycle, and the fact that maybe, again, this is not financial advice, but you could be in the profit by getting a little bit of exposure to the BRET token as well. So here is where we are today at the end of April, beginning of May 2025. We've also seen some other tokens like Frayne making bigger moves as well over the past couple of weeks. And again, I think it remains to be seen, but in my opinion, BRET has the potential, it has the memetics to be one of the leading meme coins during this cycle. Again, not financial advice, guys. Always do your own research. We need to get up higher to reclaim the 200-day simple moving average. We do have a little bit more work to do to get back up to that 9 to 10 cents area. It's definitely going to be another big move needed there to reclaim that, and then I think that would give us permission to go much higher. You can see the last time we reclaimed that 200-day simple moving average that we went much higher, going from that 9 cents all the way up to 23 cents in a very short period. Okay, let's wait and see what happens over the coming weeks. Last time I did a price target update for BRET as well. I broke down where I think the price of BRET has the potential to get to in a bear case, base case, and bull case scenario. Again, much of this is based on the fact that you saw leading meme coins in the previous cycle, just like Dogecoin and like Shiba Inu, getting up to 70 plus billion and 40 plus billion dollars in market caps respectively. And if BRET can even get into the low decabillions in terms of market caps, you could be looking at a $1 plus BRET price in a bear case scenario, a $3 BRET price in a base case scenario. For me, that would mean total crypto market cap getting to 6 trillion, BRET getting to 0.5% dominance, giving it a $30 billion market cap. And then in the most bullish scenario, BRET getting all the way up to $56 billion in overall market cap, and getting to a potential price, if that happened, of $5.60 per token. I know these numbers sound outlandish compared to where we're at right now, but if the stars align, if we see BRET continuing to significantly outperform other meme coins and the rest of the market, we could be in for a very interesting cycle. Again, these numbers are from about 4 months ago, guys. So if you want me to run the numbers again to see where I think the price of BRET could get to by the peak of the cycle, let me know. Drop a comment below this video. I will make an updated price prediction video for BRET. And if you want to learn more about how you can provide liquidity, how you can earn income from decentralized finance, I'm teaching a whole bunch of people how to do that over in the UIG. Jump on over. I'm going to leave a referral link for that in the description below this video. This is the opportunity for you to take back control of your financial future. Make sure that you know how to do this in a safe and effective way when operating in the DeFi space. So check out the UIG at the link below. We're also sponsored by Femex, the most efficient crypto trading and investment platform. I'm going to leave a referral link for Femex as well. BRET is available for trading and purchase over on Femex. As always, guys, this is not financial advice. Let me know what you think of BRET. What meme coins are you holding? And do you even think there's going to be another surge for meme coins this cycle? Drop me a comment below. Let me know. If you got any value at all out of this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Smash that bell notification icon, hit subscribe, and you've got a free gift waiting for you in the description as well. Grab it below, and we'll catch you in the next one.